Well, I finally put it together, and I will say I am quite pleased. Now, the instructions are terrible, as you would expect, and, you know, it's small, but it is for kittens. I wanted it to be small, and for $21, I think it is amazing. This is like slips on over here, so it'll come off, you can wash it. Normally these are I don't always put the ramp type things on the cat or kitten trees because I find them to be they're not very sturdy, and I always have a fear of somebody getting a paw trapped, but it is very, very sturdy. The one thing is, and I'm sure it's because, you know, it's mass manufactured, this is supposed to, oh, why are you eating me? See how it's supposed to go forward, but it won't. There's no way, there's not enough room, but it doesn't matter. Ow! Oh my goodness, Billy just actually bit me. Billy, I think Billy is teething, but Billy is full of himself today. But they are really enjoying it. I mean, they're enjoying the box just as much, but they are really enjoying it. I believe, unless I find something else out in the next couple days, this is going on my list of kitten trees. You know, like I said, they don't, you know, always last that long, only 1 or 2 litters, but they get so much enjoyment out of it. And, you know, the price is really good. You know, if the price was horribly high, you know, I wouldn't bother. But, see, they are really liking it. I really am. I'm actually kind of impressed with it. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, oh, it's Billy. It's Billy. Oh, no. I do have some of those teething rings in the freezer. I think I'm going to get him one of those because I really think he's teething. He's been very bitey the past day or two. That's Becca. I'm sure no one has ever seen her upside down, so you might not recognize her. But it's like 1 in the morning and all the kittens are put up for the night. And Becca always crashes afterwards because they just wear her out. Hi. Oh. Oh, no, stay there for just a minute. Oh, they just know when you turn the camera on. But look, the 4 little babies who I have still not named because I am terrible. Yes, I know I'm terrible. The new crazy kitten, I've already given a name. Oh, it's Belle, by the way. But I haven't named. Of course, they're so tiny. I cannot get across to you. I mean, that's my hand. How tiny, but grown the 4 are. Actually, the tabby, oh, what? That was Maria. The tabby with the white paws is not small. But the other 3 are very small. And, really their personalities haven't actually come out yet, except the tabby with the white feet, who I am lovingly calling Monster at the moment, but we cannot have that as the name because that's just rude. Hi. Hi. I know, hi. You've got, say, if I was just drinking some water and say my nose is wet. And this Sophie. And Bible and Bianca and Maria and Lola. And I think that's it that's on the couch right now. But anyway, I do need to name the little ones, but I was trying to film this sweet baby because it's great to me. They are the smallest full-grown kittens I've ever had, if that makes any sense. Like, they don't do baby kitten things. Like, they don't take milk. They're not wobbly. You know, they're big kittens, but they're tiny. And it's impossible to tell their age, in my opinion. But they're getting bigger. They are getting bigger. They're being really cute. Oh, look. See? There's two of them. Come back out. Run, run, run. Oh, there. Come here. Oh, say hi. Yeah, say, I need to be named. Yeah. Hi. But they're just, I know, and I know I go on and on about it, but I just don't know how to show how small they are compared to everyone else. Yeah. What you doing? You gonna bite me? Yeah. Be nice. Oh. Uh-oh. Wait, uh-oh. Hey. Come on. Down, down. Down. Come on. No, no. Down, down. Down, down. I know. Silly. You're just silly. I want to see if I can get your pretty colors. Yes, I want to see if I can get your pretty colors. I know. I know. Can I do it? No, I think you're still too much in the dark. It's okay. No, baby, get down. You're freaking her out. Hi. Here. Can we get your pretty colors? Can we get your pretty colors? I know. You can't. I know. We'll get them one day. they're like on the spine of her back. That is really cool. Oh, maybe you can see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, you can't. I mean, you can see where it's modeled, but you can't tell. It's like, those are little creamy brown patches. The lighter patches, I know on the camera they're coming off as gray, but they are, see, like, hi, here, and then these little lighter patches, they're like a fawn color, and then the rest of her are like every kind of gray and cream and white, and her whole undercoat is white. Like, if you pull her fur across, and her ear tufts are white. I know. Okay, look who's out of jail. Yeah, look who's out of jail. This is the little feral baby from the playpen. Still gets a little jumpy, but I can pick him up and pet him, and he doesn't hiss and stuff anymore. Now he just is a little more nervous with the open space, but look how beautiful. You see how beautiful? Yes, he's very excited to be out. He socialized a lot quicker than I thought it would take, and he has done really good. He has had dewormer, deflea, he's had his first vaccinations, and I thought it would be time to see. Oh, sorry, that's my I'm at a really funny angle because I'm having to lean over a bunch of stuff, so if the camera is shaky or my hand gets in the way. Yeah, so I just had, oh, stop. Oh, I just had to move. But yeah, say, I am out of there. Yes. He is still a little bit nervous, but I have held him for a minute and petted him, and he wanted to go explore. So that's what I'm letting him do, but I just wanted to show everybody how pretty and free he is now. Everyone except Sophie is doing quite well. Sophie never likes the new kittens. She hisses at everyone. Here. Oh, Sophie, tell everybody. Sophie, tell everybody. Say, I hiss at everybody when they first arrive, but then I'm okay. Huh? Are you okay then? Yeah. What is it? What is it, little one? I know. But I think it'll be good. Yes, aren't you so pretty? Look, all the little babies. What's happening? Is it a new person? Is it a new person? Oh. Hi. Oh, Templeton. That's Templeton. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sophie just poked me in the eye, so I gotta go.